I've been outside working on stuff for my next video, and I want to do an update on these boots. In the previous video I showed you that I've done these boots in the past and they turned out great. The next one's not so great. The paint didn't stick. Well, it stuck, but it cracked. And they originally looked like these. I bought these at a flea market for $5 a pair. Bought 2 pairs, and I thought I would upgrade them. I wanted to paint this part pink because the soles are dark pink. I painted this part light, and then I wanted to do a stencil. I actually wanted to use this flower stencil. Let's see if you can see it, with a dark pink to match the soles. Well, the Rust-Oleum didn't stick when I went to pick up the boots, and it all cracked when I squeezed them. So I did a test run of the Max that I'd used in the past and the newer Color Master paint. I did a test on it. Neither one of those cracked when I squeezed on it, and they bent. But the Rust-Oleum cracked on the boots as well after I spent all that time stripping them down and starting over. So to be fair to Rust-Oleum, I did a test patch on another the green boots, and it is not cracking. But here's the boots. And I'm going to get them a little closer. And I do so hope that everybody watched the previous videos watches this, because I do not want to misinform anybody. Can you hear it? And it cracks. You can see. I can't see, so I'm hoping you can see. But I'm pretty sure you can hear it. It's just getting all sorts of tiny little hairline cracks. Get it in the light better. But I think it's what these boots were made from, and it just did not work on them. So my suggestion is, if you're painting some boots, besides these green Walmart work boots, that you just give it a test try. I guess my first clue was the painter's tape would not stick on the jewels, where I had to use duct tape. On the previous pair I painted, the black pair, I had used the painter's tape and it did stick. So maybe that is a test run you can do, or just paint a small spot. But so the review of the Jules boots is, I haven't found a paint that will stick to them. I did do some search online, and it may work with a vinyl paint. I'm not real sure, but I may try to revamp these at a later date. But right now I'm over the boots, and we're on to the next project. Come back and join me, and I've got more projects coming up. Like, subscribe, and see you next week.